It seems finally the secret of aging is out. Researchers at the Washington State University identified a section of the DNA which is codenamed VTNR2, VTNR2, or junk DNA, or it's the dark matter in DNA, or very little is known about this part of the DNA. So what it does is, this DNA is responsible for the telomerase gene, which in turn is responsible for the telomerase enzyme, which in turn is responsible for telomeres and capping of the DNA strands. So each time a cell divides, the telomeres get shorter and shorter. So in other words, it's an indication that the cell is aging and is about to die. Okay. So in cancer cells, what happens is the telomeres are known to be of same length, or in other words, the cell doesn't age at all. It goes on dividing infinitely. So now, when you put A and B together, we come to the conclusion that the secret of cancer as well as aging lies in a section of the DNA called the VNTR2, which is a junk DNA, or the dark matter in DNA. So with certain control over this section of the DNA, we can control aging as well as cancer. So research is on in Washington State University, Pennsylvania University, South Carolina University to find out how the VNTR2 can be used to control both aging and cancer. So if they succeed, we may have a solution both for aging and for cancer. Keep fingers crossed and observe what comes up in this research. What I missed to mention is, in centenarians, people who touch ripe old age of 100 years, they found that